वेट करना, वेट वेट वेट।
बाद में अपना डांस परफॉर्म करेंगे।
Also, it's an honor for us to have a guest of honor, Sri Selvaratso, State Co-Convener of BJP. Can we have a round of applause for Sir also? On stage, the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, the lighting of the lamp symbolizes the removal. I please request you guys to please join us for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp.
थैंक यू। वेट वेट वेट।
Gentlemen, a warm welcome and a great afternoon to all on behalf of Well Education and Peace Council. I request you all to please grace your presence in the lawn. We have snacks ready for you guys. We'll shortly begin with the conference. Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause, please, everyone? Symbol of our unity and pride in this beautiful nation. I request everyone to please stand. Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Jaladi Taranga, Parama Shubha Name Janaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. Thank you so much. We have snacks ready for you guys. Thank you so much.
I am Dr. Arunadasram from Chennai. I am Professor of Biochemistry from All Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, India. And also I am Professor of Biochemistry from General Physics Institute of Medical Sciences for teaching biochemistry for MBBS and MD students for 35 years of experience I have. So do you have any more information about me? I have already UG degree and also PG degree and also postdoctoral training from Chennai, Madras University, and also from All Institute of Medical Sciences, India, and also the postdoctoral training award from Boston State University, Florida, and also from
कि लोग बाग आएंगे
अभी नहीं आएगी ना तो अभी घूम रहे हैं.
Great pleasure that I welcome you all to this special evening hosted by Well Education and Peace Council. Tonight, we celebrate not just achievements, but a collective commitment towards making education accessible and meaningful for all. Can we have a round of applause for each one of us present here today? Come on, can we have a round of applause for each one of us present here today? Essence of this evening, we are pleased to present a captivating dance performance, beautifully expressing devotion, storytelling and tradition through intricate movements and rhythm. Can we please welcome our dance performance with a round of applause? I can't hear the excitement in your voices. Are you all excited? Again, are you all excited? Again, I can't hear the energy from that side, I would say. Are you all excited? Let's see the excitement during the award ceremony because I want each one of you to, enjoy at the max and also, to congratulate each one of you present here who is winning the awards. So I want claps and round of applauses entire way through the ceremony, and I know our audience is extremely nice and humble, so we're going to do that, right? Yes. Are we going to do that? Thank you so much. And shortly we're going to have a dance performance to do the inauguration, and then we'll be waiting for our chief guest to arrive. Welcome our dance performer with a round of applause. Always supersede all the modern kinds of dance forms. Am I right? Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll shortly begin with the award ceremony. We're waiting for our chief guest to join. But before that, I would like to thank all of you that you came here. You've graced us with your presence, and we are honored on behalf of the Well Education and Peace Council. I would like to say we are truly honored. So, again, can we have a round of applause for each one of us? For each one of us. Come on, everybody. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. We'll shortly begin. In the meanwhile, you guys can interact with the person sitting next to you. Let's do a fun game. Quick game and just kind of icebreaker. You know, shake hand with the person who's sitting next to you. Everybody. Shake hand both sides. Shake hand with the person sitting next to you. Everyone. Everybody sitting next to you. Come on, everybody. That's a fun gesture. Know each one of us. Shake hands with the person sitting next to you. Let's start with our founder and CEO. So, sir, can you please shake hands together? Can you please shake hands together? Yeah, shake hands with sir. Yeah. Everybody, come on, let's do that. Yeah. Lovely ladies, lovely. Everybody, come on. Sir, ma'am, everyone, please shake hands with the person sitting next to you. See, it's important to greet. Important to always have a smile on your face and greet the person sitting next to you. Whosoever has missed that, come on, can we do that again? Everybody, shake hands with the person sitting next to you. Your neighbors. Yeah. Lovely, sir. Thank you so much, everybody. There also. Now we can shake hands with the person sitting next in the next row. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. We're shortly going to begin Bollywood statement. So, everybody, there's a question. How's the Josh? So, I want to know if it's high or not. So, are you all familiar with it? Is everyone familiar with the statement? Yeah. So, whosoever is not familiar, just for their understanding, I will say how's the Josh. Everyone has to say hi, sir. So we'll do it twice. I'll say how's the Josh. Everyone has to say hi, sir. And I'll not stop until I see participation from everyone. Okay. Let's do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. How's the Josh? Hi. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. I still see a lot of people not. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. We are shortly going to begin. We're just waiting for our honorable. It is an honor for us to have Ms. Poonam Sharma ma'am. She is a member of the Legislative Assembly. Can we please welcome her again with a round of applause? Commitment towards making education accessible and meaningful for all. Well Education and Peace Council strives to promote education and advocate for human rights worldwide. The organization is dedicated to ensuring that every individual has access to quality education and that their basic human rights are protected and respected. Our mission is to promote education and human rights for all individuals, regardless of their background or circumstances. We believe that education is a fundamental right and a powerful tool for positive change in the world. Through our programs and initiatives, we strive to improve access to education, empower marginalized communities, and defend human rights around the world. Can we have a round of applause for Well Education and Peace Council, please? Also, it's an honor for us to have our chief guests and guests of honor. So I would like to thank them for gracing their presence here. It's an honor for us to have Shri Ashok Mehta sir, Chairman of KICCI. Can we have a round of applause for sir, please? It's an honor for us to have Ms. Poonam Sharma ma'am. It's an honor for us to have Ms. Poonam Sharma ma'am, Member of the Legislative Assembly. Can we have a round of applause for ma'am also? We'll also be having Shri Praveen Khandelwal sir, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha. He'll also be joining us shortly. Also, can we have a round of applause for him also? Also, it's an honor for us to have Ms. Rekha Sinha ma'am. She's a shareholder in KICCI. Can we have a round of applause for ma'am also? Also, it's an honor for us to have a guest of honor, Sri Selvaratso, State Co-Convener of BJP. Can we have a round of applause for Sir also? Moving forward, now I would like to invite our esteemed chief guest and guest of honor and the dignitaries to join us on stage for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. The lighting of the lamp symbolizes the removal of darkness and spreading of knowledge and wisdom. May this light guide us towards a brighter future. Can I please request you guys to please join us for the lighting of the symbolial lamp? Everyone, can we please have a round of applause? Everybody, come on, everybody. Everyone, come on. Thank you to our talented performer for that mesmerizing performance. As this wonderful evening,
ये भी छोड़ो यार बहुत ही ज्यादा
guests and guests of honor between us. So let's take a moment to felicitate them and thank them for taking out their special time and precious time and gracing us with their presence. It's an honor for us to have with us Shri Ashok Mehta Sir, Chairman of KICCI, and I request Sarvanand Sir, the CEO, to please felicitate Sir. Can we please welcome Sir with a round of applause? I would also like to request Ms. Poonam Sharma Ma'am, member of the Legislative Assembly, to please join. I would also like to request Shri Selvaraj Sir, State Co-Convener, PCB, to please join us on the stage. With a round of applause. Please welcome Sir with a round of applause. Can we please have a round of applause, everyone? Please have a big round of applause, everyone. Come on, everyone, round of applause. Can you please have a round of applause, everyone? Again, can we please have a big round of applause, everyone? Can we please have a round of applause, everyone? A big round of applause, everyone. Can we please have a round of applause, everybody? Everyone, come on, please. Can we please have a round of applause, everyone?
Namaskar. Good evening to everyone, respected dignitaries, esteemed members, and fellow volunteers. Today we gather with a shared vision to create a brighter future for all. The Well Education and Peace Council mission is clear to provide free child education and empower our communities through social work. Education is the greatest equalizer to break barriers, open doors, unlock potential. At the Well Education and Peace Council, we are working towards a compassionate society that values empathy, kindness, and social relationships. They are enforcing a culture of peace, understanding, and inclusivity. To our volunteers, I say that selfless dedication is the driving force behind our mission. Your tireless efforts are changing lives and shaping future. Together we build a brighter future for all. This Educational and Peace Council annual function is a great achievement for the benefits of downtrodden and people below poverty line. The main focus was promoting knowledge and learning, empower society with awareness and progress, fostering harmony and understanding, creates an atmosphere for love, unity in society. Social harmony, strengthening community bonds, leads to collective progress when we unite. May this event inspire education, peace and social harmony, appreciating the dedication of entire Team KIKI. And here I will say that we are from KIKI, Community Union Chamber of Commerce and Industries, are very much associated with Pithak Foundation. They are also working on the same issues for the last more than 10 years. I will like that this our Wealth, Education and Peace Council society should also work with them. I will associate them with that because they have worked a lot and their people from downtrodden are going to US also, various parts of other countries also. Our director, Mr. Averas, is the chairman, and you will find a lot of things there. So exchanging views with each other will certainly achieve a lot of things in future. Thank you very much.
Can we please have a round of applause for sir? Everyone, can you please have a round of applause? Thank you so much, sir, for gracing us with your wise words. We are truly honored to hear. The moment we all have been waiting for. So I say, you might be getting this feeling. Everyone, you might be excited to see, okay, come on, I'm about to get the award. Everybody's excited?
Yes.
I can't see the energy. Is everyone excited?
Yes.
Again, how's the Josh? I can't see which side. With full energy. I want to see if you're excited or not. How is Josh?
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for helping out. Ram Sharma, ma'am, MLA. Can I please request ma'am to grace us with our wise words? Can you please welcome ma'am with a round of applause?
एक मंच पर उपस्थित सभी सम्मानित और आदर के योग्य अतिथिगण और यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी भाई और बंधुओं को नमस्कार करके प्रणाम करती हूँ। आज वेल्थ, एजुकेशन एंड पीस काउंसिल का जो ये संस्था जो प्रोग्राम कर रही है उसके लिए आप सबको शुभकामनाएं बधाई देती हूँ कि आप समाज का वो हिस्सा हो जिससे हरी नींव शुरू होती है। शिक्षा, एजुकेशन, क्योंकि अगर शिक्षा नहीं होगी तो हमारे बच्चे कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे। और सबसे बड़ी बात, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, निःशुल्क आप बच्चों को पढ़ाई देते हो, उसके लिए आप सबको बधाई, क्योंकि शिक्षा एक ऐसी ताकत है जो सभी बाधाओं को, सभी मुश्किलों को तोड़ती है और उनको अच्छे अच्छे अवसर प्रदान करती है। और आज मैं जहाँ इस स्टेज पे खड़ी हूँ, मैं कहने से दूर नहीं रहूंगी कि जो आप समाज का इतना अग्रेसिव काम कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो। और आपको कभी भी मेरी भी जरूरत हो, मैं भी आपके साथ 24/7 आपकी हेल्प के लिए मैं खड़ी हूँ। और पढ़ाई, शिक्षा, मैं कहूँ कि इसके बिना सब कुछ अधूरा है। आप एक इंडिविजुअल अगर एक आदमी पढ़ाई कर रहा है तो वो पूरे राष्ट्र के लिए, पूरे समाज के लिए काम करेगा, क्योंकि एक आदमी पढ़ने के बाद वो पढ़ाई सिर्फ उसमें सीमित नहीं रहती है, आगे वो अपनी गली में, मोहल्ले में, अपने समाज के अंदर, अपने देश के अंदर में वो पूरे भारत को विकसित कर सकता है। क्योंकि पुराने टाइम में अगर आप जाओगे तो स्कूल भी नहीं होते थे, शिक्षक भी नहीं होते, जो बच्चे भी पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट कम होता था। और जब हम लोगों ने शिक्षा का महत्व समझा, घरों में जाके, इनफैक्ट मैं कहूँ कि बालिकाओं के लिए, लड़कियों के लिए, फॉर गर्ल्स, पहले पेरेंट्स बच्चों को जरूर पढ़ाते थे, लड़कों को पढ़ाते थे, लड़कियों को नहीं पढ़ाते थे। इसका श्रेय भी हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को जाता है, जो कहते हैं कि बेटी बचाओ और बेटी पढ़ाओ। तो आप समझ सकते हो कि जब हमने ये शुरुआत करी, कैसे लोगों का माइंड हमने चेंज करा होगा, कैसे उनको समझाया कि आपको घर से अपनी बेटियों को निकालना है, पढ़ाई करनी है, क्योंकि पढ़ाई के बिना सब कुछ अधूरा है। मेरे मम्मी पापा तो एक बात कहते हैं कि बेटा धन दौलत बढ़ जाती है, धन दौलत बढ़ जाती है और शिक्षा कभी नहीं बढ़ती। तो शिक्षा आपको वो मैं कहूँ एक अमूल्य धन है जिसको कोई नहीं छीन सकता, और आप इस शिक्षा के मैं धन से आप पूरे देश को विकसित कर सकते हो। और आप सबने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया, इतना मान सम्मान दिया, उसके लिए आपका धन्यवाद। और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको, और आने वाले 10 दिन के अंदर दीपावली का महा उत्सव आ रहा है। आप सबको दीपावली की भी ढेरों सारी शुभकामनाएं। आज ये छोटी बहन और आपकी बेटी आपके बीच में छोटा सा निवेदन आप सबसे करी, छोटी सी अपील कर रही है। अब की बार दिवाली पे स्वदेशी ही अपनाएंगे और स्वदेशी ही लेके आएंगे। ऐसा आज हम एक निर्णय यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे। कुम्हार भाई जो बाहर बैठे होते हैं, छोटी छोटी दुकानें लगा के बैठे हैं, उनसे हम दिए भी लेंगे, गणेश जी लक्ष्मी जी भी लेंगे। प्लीज हम लोग सब समर्थ लोग हैं, अच्छा कमाते हैं, अच्छा सबका काम है, प्लीज उनसे मोल भाव ना करें कि भैया 5 रुपए कम कर दीजिए, 10 रुपए कम कर दीजिए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। मगर आपके ऐसा करने से उनकी दिवाली बहुत सुंदर हो जाएगी। और वो पता नहीं कितने महीनों से इसकी तैयारी में लगे होते हैं कि अब की बार दिवाली आएगी और हमारा घर में भी दिवाली बहुत अच्छे से बनेगी। यही निवेदन करना चाहती हूँ कि जब हमारे देश का व्यापार बढ़ेगा तो हमारा भारत भी आत्मनिर्भर बनेगा और हमारे देश में योगदान रहेगा। तो भारत को विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए आप सबका सहयोग चाहिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
For gracing us with your wise words, can we please have a round of applause for ma'am? For us to have with us Mr. Gaurav Sharma, Zilla Adhyaksh. Can we please have a round of applause for sir? To please felicitate Mr. Gaurav sir. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. We're truly honored that you've taken out your precious time and grace us with your presence. Moving forward is a beacon of hope, and tonight we honor those who have dedicated themselves to spreading its light. Our awardees have not only made a difference in their own fields, but have uplifted communities by fostering learning and empowerment. These awards symbolize the gratitude we feel for their efforts and their commitment to our shared mission. Our first category tonight is the Biomedical Sciences Award, and the award goes to Dr. B.N. Arundhara Sanon. Can we please welcome sir? Sir has 35 years of teaching and research experience in medical colleges, both in India, KSA, Libya, USA. Mr. Gaurav Sharma sir, to please felicitate sir. Education. And the award goes to Dr. Shubha Gayatri. Can we please have ma'am? And she leads with vision, inspiring students and staff with passion, shaping young minds and building futures that shine. Can we please have a round of applause, everybody? Everyone, big round of applause. Energetic one, come on, everybody. Energetic round of applause. Administration and school management. She's got many awards and achievement in teaching field. Can you please have a big round of applause, everybody? Our next award is in the category of financial risk innovation and tech optimization. Before that, can we please have an energetic round of applause, everybody? Energetic one. I still see a lot of people sitting in the back and not clapping. Can I please have a big and energetic round of applause? Everybody from that row, come on everyone. Thank you so much. So has spent over 2 decades pioneering ethical, technology-driven innovation in financial risk and debt optimization. He has helped major banks and NBFCs transform recovery practices. Can you please have a big round of applause, everybody? Come on everyone. Everyone from there also. Everyone, come on, let's go for a round of applause. Let's see. I know everybody's very energetic and excited, but can we have a big round of applause? Come on everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. I would like to request Shri Ashok Mehta sir to please facilitate our next award. Can you please have a big round of applause, everyone? Can you please have a big round of applause, everybody? Sir has 30 years of expertise in sales and marketing as a management leader in the field has made significant contributions to society. The Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs certified him as an independent director also. Can we please have a big and energetic round of applause, everybody? Certified teacher, training and resource person. She has 15 years of promising experience in teaching and has got many awards in teaching. Can you please have a big round of applause? Can you please have a big round of applause? Still a lot of people are not clapping in row A and row B. Come on everyone, let's show our energetic and highly energetic award. Come on everyone, let's give a round of applause to everybody. Everyone, come on, I can't say it. Can you please welcome our felicitate her with a big round of applause, everybody. Come on everyone, big round of applause. I would like to request everybody sitting in row A and row B. Come on everybody, I can't see energy. Everybody, big round of applause. Come on everyone. Still a lot of people sitting in front and not giving round of applause. So there, that's it. Everyone, big round of applause. Come on with me. Everyone, row A and B. Come on everybody from row A and B. Now is a skilled professional school principal, proactive and research-oriented with experience in all aspects of English as an educationalist and professional. She's also got many awards and achievements in teaching field. Come on everybody, can we have a big round of applause? CMG, everyone from CMG, come on. Our next award is in the category of sports, and the award goes to Dr. Pranay Dubey. Can you please have sir with us? Can you please welcome sir with a round of applause? Everybody, A, B, come on everybody from row A and B. I still can't see everybody clapping. Can we again, please? Let's today, sir. 2, everyone, come on. So it's inspired by Milan Soman and has begun his fitness journey just 5 years ago and has transformed into an ultra-runner. He has earned 46 gold, 5 silver and 6 bronze medals at the National Masters Games. Experience as a water-based clean chemical consultant and formulator should have been instrumental in developing biodegradable Right? It was our eco-friendly green solutions for both Indian and international companies. Can we please welcome Sir with a big round of applause, everybody? Come on, come on, come on, please. Show you have energy. Come on, everybody. Our next award in the category of astrology, and the award goes to Dr. Deepak N. Sharma. Can we please have our Deepak? Everybody, can we please welcome Sir with a round of applause? Everybody, can we please welcome Sir with a round of applause, everybody? Come on, everyone. Row A, B, C, D, come on, everybody. Everybody from row C, come on, everyone. Our next award is the category of education, and the award goes. Sir has received a lot of awards and has great experience in education and social activities. Everyone from row A, B, C, D, everybody come on! Give a round of applause, everyone, come on! Our next award in the category of legal and social activities. Before that, can we please have a big round of applause, everyone? Come on, everyone! Big round of applause, everyone, come on! Everybody from row B! Everybody from row B! Come on, show them energy, everyone! And the award goes to Dr. Gupta Baba Raghupati. Can we please have Sir with us? Can we please welcome everyone? Come on! So, has been doing social work for ages and has provided food, clothing and free legal aid to the poor and marginalized with Maha Mukherjee. Come on, everyone, can you please have a big round of applause again? Come on, everybody. Once again, everybody. Our next award in the category of Mangalam Palli. Can we please welcome Sir with a round of applause, everybody? Keep on sitting at the back. Everybody, come on. जिन्होंने अपने ज्ञान संसाधनों समय प्रयास और शक्ति का उपयोग के अपने व्यक्तिगत विकास के लिए किया ताकि महत्वपूर्ण प्रभाव उत्पन्न करके लाखों लोगों के जीवन में सुधार लाने के लिए काम करें। Come on, everybody, can we have a big round of applause, everybody? Everyone, come on, everybody, from row A, B, F, and C. Who has more energy? A, B, come on. C and D, now come on, everybody, let's see who has more energy. Everyone sitting at the back, everybody. Our next award in the category of law and social
एक सेकंड
science.
सर थोड़ा पीछे
And the award goes to
मैम साथ में
Dr. L. Devadas Nayak. Can you please have Sir with us? Everyone, can you please have a big round of applause, everybody? Everyone, come on, everybody. Everybody, come on. So, is presently serving as a Chief Legal and Defense Counsel at GLSA, Telangana State.
यस एवरीवन
Can we have a
सर
big round of applause,
दिस वन
everybody?
हेलो
Everyone, everyone. Sir has an MA in philosophy and in literature, and Sir is truly experienced in Sahityani and literature, and has also been awarded into many fields in the same. Can you please have a big round of applause, everybody? Everyone, come on, can you please have
मैम
a
आपको
big
यहाँ
round
आना
of
पड़ेगा
applause? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
ऑल टाइम यस मैम
Our next award in the category of social work. And the everyone from CNDO, everybody. So, has always believed that helping others is the greatest form of service, and over the years, he has been involved
One more take.
Everyone can hear me round of
वीडियो बन रही थी क्या
सर ऐसे ना करो प्लीज.
Can you please have some with us? Can you please take our next project? Can you please have a big round of applause? Come on, everybody! Let's have a first. Everybody come row me. Everybody, from start to end, everyone. I want to see everyone clap this time. Come on, everybody. Activism and community engagement process of both youth society. Zippers, impact life and drive meaningful change. As a cultural and social activist, has also received a lot of awards. Can you please have a big round of applause, everyone? Come on, everybody. From PNC, everybody want to see from PNC. Everyone. Gorgeous face was laughing continuously and he was the most loudest one. Everybody come on. He has clapped for you. Now he deserves a lot of claps and enthusiasm. Everyone, from row PNC, from row ANG, everybody. Come on, everyone. I can't hear everyone clapping. Everyone from row PNC. Come on, everyone. From row A, everyone, please. So has been doing social activity and has won many awards in his field, like Rajkot Puraskar 2025, Maharashtra Puraskar 2025, and is also working as a One, two, three! And the award goes to Dr. Vishal Thakur. Can you please welcome sir? By creating sustainable income and employment opportunities. Again with me, everybody. Row A and B now. Again, show someone else in row A and B. Everybody from row A and B, come on. Everybody from row A and B.
Yes.
Now everyone from C and D, everybody from C and D, come on. I see it lethargic. Mood is mostly. Now let's bring some energy. All the gorgeous ladies and amazing handsome gentlemen with energy. 1, 2, 3, come on. Can we please have a big round of applause? Everyone, come on, everyone. Everyone, ABCD, everybody, come on. Let's have a very big round of applause. Come on, everybody. Everybody's getting low on energy now. Come on, let's have a very big round of applause. Come on, everybody. Everyone, from D, everybody from row D. Everybody from row D. Come on, everybody.
Yes.
Good. Good.
Next was in the category of social work. And the award goes to Dr. Jack. Social worker and it's trained
Yes, everyone.
individual families and communities navigate challenges and improve their well-being. He also provides wide ranges of services including counseling and please have some energy. 1, 2, 3, everybody! So, has a great experience in academic field and always want to explore knowledge, advance wisdom and empower minds. Again, at the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, everybody! Moving towards anyone from row A and B. Again, everybody, this is the last one. Come on, everybody. Let's show some energy, everybody. Row A and everybody. From C and D also, come on, join them, everybody. Let's have some energy.
Yes, sir.
Can you please have a round of applause for yourself? So let's see if you're proud of yourself or not. So if each one of you is proud of yourself, I'm going to congratulate yourself for winning the award and your family member and friends. So everyone, I want to see energy this time. Sir, and Saravanan sir. Come on, can you please have a round of applause, everybody.
We are making.
Can we please have a round of applause, everyone? Come on, everybody from row B and C, everybody. Come on. Let's have a big round of applause, everybody. And next was also the category of business, and it goes to Mr. Sevanyasa Pandyan. So, is the PGP District President, KDG. Can you please welcome some round of applause, everybody? Can you please? I would like to request our guest, and our chief guest, to please felicitate Mr. Pandyan. Please have a big round of applause, everybody. Can you please have a round of applause, everyone? Come on, everybody. I see very few people clapping from row B. I would say I love the energy in row C, but very few people clapping from row B. Can you please have a round of applause, everybody? Come on, everybody. From row B, everybody. That, everybody, from B, C, D, A, everybody, come on, let's give a round of applause.
And again. Camera में देखिए।
Can we please have a big round of applause, everyone? Come on, everyone. Can we please have a big round of applause, everybody? From B, C, A, D, everybody. Come on, everybody. Their success. Can we please have a round of applause for us? And not just a round of applause for us. Come on, everybody. And Komal, can we please have to go on the stage? That's what I would like to request our chief guest to please honor them. Can we please have a round of applause, everybody? Can we please have a round of applause? 1, 2, 3, everybody!
सर यहाँ देखिए सर कैमरा में
Come on, everyone. Again, let's give her a round of applause.
वेट वेट
Dedication to education and academia. Thank you all for being here. Let us continue to work together like education. With this, I would like to request our audience to please come forward and let's have a group picture.
वेट एवरीवन
एक सेकंड